guys, it's Vivian, your hot stock girl. Today I'm going to discuss the difference between value stocks and growth stocks. You can invest in value stocks or growth stocks or stocks that have both growth and value characteristics. Value stocks are companies that are trading at a discount to their competitors. Many times value stocks have missed their earnings estimates or the business has declined. Value stocks can make you money if the business operations improve due to the new management or better financial results. But be careful, value stocks can become value traps. Value traps are stocks that look cheap but continue to go down after you buy them. Value traps occur when business operations continue to decline more than investors expect. Many stocks that pay dividends with a high yield become value traps. L Brands might be a value trap right now. The dividend yield is 8.6%. Most mature companies have a dividend yield between 2 and 4%. So, what is the trap? Well, the 8.6% yields might look exciting, but L Brands' recent earnings guidance indicates that they may cut their dividend soon. If they cut the dividend, the stock price is likely to drop and L Brands investors will have fallen into the value trap. Growth stocks are companies that are growing their sales and earnings quickly. These stocks are usually technology or biotech companies. You can make a lot of money with growth stocks, but if the growth stops, the stock usually drops fast. The best situation is to find a value stock that becomes a growth stock. This usually takes a lot of research and a lot of patience. Sometimes a company brings new products into the market that sell really well. An example of this is NVIDIA, symbol NVDA. NVIDIA is known for making the high-end graphics cards that gamers love to use in their computers. For years, the stock traded under $20. Since 2016, NVIDIA has provided massive returns for its investors, with the stock currently trading at $274 a share. If you know about the next NVIDIA, make sure to let me know. That's the kind of stock all investors want to own. So there you have it, growth stocks and value stocks. I'm Vivian, your hot stock girl. Please be sure to subscribe below and check back soon for more great investment ideas. Bye! What was that?